What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. If you are looking for the best OBD2 scanner to understand your car better and diagnose problems with confidence, you are in the right place. Today, we are checking out a powerful tool that brings professional-level diagnostics right into your hands. Let's see what makes it stand out. Let's get started. The Autel MaxiCom OBD2 scanner is designed to give you a complete picture of your vehicle's health. One of its most impressive features is its battery test and electrical system analysis. When paired with the Autel BT506 battery tester, it can check both 6V and 12V batteries with a range from 100 to 2000 cca. It supports different battery types such as flooded, AGM, AGM spiral, EFB, and gel. You can test the battery inside the vehicle or outside of it. This helps you understand not only the battery condition, but also the starter and generator performance. So instead of guessing why your car struggles to start, you get clear and detailed information. Another powerful feature of the Autel MaxiCom OBD2 scanner is its compatibility with the Autel MV108S HD inspection camera. When connected, the scanner turns into a video inspection scope. This allows you to look into tight and hard-to-reach areas of your vehicle. You can capture clear images and videos, which makes it easier to inspect parts and even keep records for later reference. With Autel Cloud Management, this device also supports online data storage. You can save diagnostic reports securely and share them using a QR code, email, or text message. This makes communication simple and professional. Whether you want to keep records or send information to someone else, everything is organized and easy to access. The Autel MaxiCom OBD2 scanner can read and erase diagnostic trouble codes and turn off the check engine light. It clears codes and resets monitors, helping you confirm that repairs were successful. It also displays live data streams from the ECU and PCM in graphic form. This makes it easier to understand what is happening in real time. The freeze frame data shows the exact vehicle conditions when a fault occurred, which helps identify the root cause of the issue. The I&M Readiness Status feature lets you know if your emission systems are working properly and ready for inspection. Through its diagnostics application, the Autel MaxiCom OBD2 scanner connects directly to the vehicle's electronic control systems. It supports multiple systems, including ABS, SRS, engine, transmission, brake, emission, fuel, light, and wiper systems. This all-in-one approach saves time and gives you a complete diagnostic platform in one device. The design feels solid and professional, with a clear interface that makes navigation simple. It is built to handle serious diagnostic work while still being user-friendly. Here is the bottom line. If you want deep vehicle insights in one powerful device, this is a strong choice. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.